In this video, we will discuss endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. So, what is endothermic reaction? Here, endo means inside, and thermic means thermic word is related to temperature or heat. Temperature or heat. So you can conclude that the reaction in which temperature or heat energy is absorbed in the reaction medium. The reaction in which heat energy is absorbed in the reaction medium is known as endothermic reaction. So the reaction in which heat energy is absorbed in the reaction medium. The reaction in which the heat energy is absorbed in the reaction medium is called endothermic reaction. The change in enthalpy, that is delta H, for endothermic reaction is always remains positive. The change in enthalpy or change in heat energy, you can say, is always remains positive. So by this conclusion, if the delta H of a reaction is positive, you can say the reaction is endothermic. So now let us see some example of endothermic reaction. Here the positive sign indicates that heat energy is absorbed in the reaction medium. The heat energy is not, if heat energy is taken out in a reaction medium, that is if the reaction is exothermic in nature, here the negative sign will be present. The first example of an endothermic reaction is combination of nitrogen gas and oxygen gas. That is N2 plus O2 gives 2 nitrogen oxide 2 NO. this is a gas, so we use an upward arrow here, and you have to the reaction in this reaction occurs at room temperature, so we are not giving any sign here. So now another example is photosynthesis reaction. The photosynthesis reaction is another example of endothermic reaction. So what is photosynthesis reaction? All of you have studied earlier in your class. That is carbon dioxide and H2O will give what it will form glucose C6 H12O6, and what it will form 6O2. It will form oxygen. You have to balance, so give here 6 and here 6, so that the reaction, the photosynthesis reaction is balanced. You can calculate the number of atoms in the reactant side as well as in product side is same or equal. Here this reaction is balanced. This reaction, you see, this reaction is also balanced.